Motherfucking bigatrice. Yeah, this me this you. Which one a bigger this? What kind of man tell the next man to suck a nigga dick? Me no know about you, but I know see for this. Me now watch plate and carry.
Aye, call on Cola, Babylon.
Context matter.
Tell her this.
Context does
I'm not saying right if you do that.
Context
Because I didn't do that.
Beg your talk there. It's a Gaza uncle now. Now deal with him now. Cause a long time I want to deal with him now.
Yo, reason music.
Yeah, music I reason about now.
Yeah, come in.
Y'all look at fame. Y'all look fame.
For your brother. A crucial conflict between the brother. DevaBratt artist I talk to you. Can I feel I talk about?
Good day, my people. We have a lot of stories for you today. Welcome to Club of Them TV. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Okay, so you have all the feelings and talk.
No feelings that. I'm just say a thing. I'm just address upon the thing what you say. Me not.
Yeah, go through make we hear what going on.
Go through here, you know.
Yeah, on a big woman level, like disrespect bounty killer, brother.
What?
Yo, a music. Come on, a different thing.
Brother,
I wanna go in. Wanna busy about
Tell the music.
anybody had say with them.
Hold on, Trey. Go on again when me hear you say.
Me say, me not like the way you disrespect bounty killer, brother.
In what way?
In you style him and I say, yo, killer bad man and them thing, the brother, you see me?
Alright, so who did this in first?
Brother, killer do, brother. Tell me killer.
I bet you said that. Alright, here, go back with this and research and fall before you talk to me.
No, but me know my research, brother. That's why I want to reason about you. Reason with the.
And then how it start if you do your research?
Alright, here we go now, see? Killer make a post. See? And say, me like what me like, and me like what me not like, yeah?
No, brother, no. It start from February, brother. You see, I even know where I'm going. Go on do your research and fall back, brother.
But from February, me never hear none.
Like you are telling.
Yeah.
That means you're not follow up.
That means you're not follow up.
I feel like this is a fan page, you know. Cause me never come over here for your blood clot, Gaza uncle, feed a blood clot. But me,
yo, me just a me just a say that me just say me low.
I'll be a different point of view there here.
No man, but what? Me no want hear me no want hear where we mix up dancehall.
So me she never hear me and say it before.
I want hear about music, but me no want hear about when a man say and when it starts. Dancehall uncle, Peter, dancehall uncle
right now.
Peter,
that's one of the biggest
dancehall uncle artist
right now.
Peter, dancehall uncle
Gaza
artist.
uncle, me have a question more ask you. How long talking me? She hear me answer. Gaza uncle, you there?
Yeah, I'm there, man. Yeah.
I hear me answer to you.
This a talk about people, but mind when them the jealousies. And let me tell you, this is not a good fellow. This them thief silent pattern, them and no melodies. War bad mind, war envy and prejudice. One go ask Dona and Munga and a rebel this. If him never buy out the war, by now me would a rich and buy Mars. And every girl.
Jah Bouks, Mr. Angola. You really make a fish style, fam. First of all, when the real say I do a make a hold on, fam. Bro, somebody they call you and make a Jah Bouks, Mr. Angola. Who call you and make a Rasta man? You come next one and forget to know roots and remember what you stand for, bro. You don't stop mix up in a dancehall artist business, bro, so you're not getting no bookings. Where you do a make up to make fish tusa style, yo? Where you do a make up to make fish tusa style, yo? Bro, you're losing the roots. You're Jah Bouks, you do that again. You see it with bro, you look so ashamed and embarrassed. You can't see enough to feel it for you. But well, I know, but you have to burn your rasta. Because you don't know, come like you're not getting the roots. Fire for gun, you know. Where you do a make up, I be a dancehall artist, me see a make up on Kartel's son birthday night. Oh, tell us if you go there. Who invite you? Nobody not invite you, bro, so you get a shame automatically off of your own idiot will. As a Rasta man, just should have talked to you right this and say, yo, Jah Bouks do not go there. I be a dancehall artist there. Who you look friend? Who you look friend from? From? You don't stop Lily down Rasta thing, brother. Big up Sizzler, Capleton, Highway. One thing, bro, my youth, they say if you know to move a Rasta, go and go ask Sizzler and Bogle them. And Capleton how to move like Rasta, brother. Stop using the roots, go ask Star Wars Riley. You should have never the right there, so bro. And then you make Jesus this and gone viral and thing. Come on, man, Jah Bouks, Mr. Angola. You make the whole place feel away now on the charge. Come on, next time you do them something there, bro. Next time you check your status before you got people show. Because nobody not invited there, brother, you're too enough. Who invited a maker last night, a Kartel pin thing? You're too enough. You know, see now, the Rasta artist, a culture artist, we are the culture this. Over there, so I'll be a dancehall artist, and see what this is, brother. Tamile, Jamal Dunsman, Skilly Bang, Javalani, Pablo YG. I'll be a dancehall artist, and then if you know yourself, bro, I'm in the wrong, you can get this from Jesus. That was well deserved. Yeah, you well deserved that. All you have to be. Remember, Jah Bouks, not do it again. Don't do it again, because the artist are evil Jesus. This is a look, I know. Boy. The artist when this you never deserve that. I wish artist that signed to Fissus label. Big Angola artists like you. Call Angola. Boy, you do this so. Jah G. Remember on the roads, brother. Remember on the kind of look good. They make Fissus style, bro. Boy, if you make a fish queer come style of artists like you, Rastaman, culture artist, reggae section, you represent. Boy, you do right. They say you're too enough. You're too enough. Me not wrong for social style, whole lot you're too enough. Next time you won't know what you do, you're too enough. Yeah man, you're too enough, man.
Me head sick, me head chip, me head mad. Light on a talk out, oh God. Me don't know, make them say them bad. I do attack, I'm body bad. Boy, but I get dragged. Me head chip.
Me not living who like who dog or
Every
who
time
like
I
who.
notice my father by your ear, she jump up. Yo, you might diss me. You might diss me.
Bro, me not talk to you, bro.
Yeah, but every time I say something, everybody talk about me and this. You might diss me.
Yo.
Guys, let's have from me son.
Yo, hear me, I said, go back on the topic.
That's why me I talk to you. Tell me come, it's Christmas.
Violation.
Uncle Gaza have a problem. Uncle Gaza, it's Christmas. Go and cut your cake and eat some food. Okay? Thank you.
You know worse about it, the dog address you, dog. It is from outside that situation. One say you way. Just answer him back as him, man.
Yeah, bro, but that me I try to tell us say you see from me come in that say me constantly I tell some man say stick to the topic. I will not disrespect people. You understand? Stick to the topic and the facts surround the situation. That's why me even tell her to come in and say.
You say now these people you call the people in here that this year this them.
That's what I'm saying again.
Yo, cut off for the this thing now, that.
I'm not going to take my perform. I want to the brother get a man come this no man but Gaza people are idiot. I want to hear dog.
No, this man don't show say that a Lego now. That Lego, yo, brilliant. Lego that.
Give me a chat.
Gaza uncle Lego that.
Give me a chat.
Go on, man.
Give me a chat. Dog, man, them carry, you know, 2026, you know, the pan this, you know.
That me try show
you. We not carry this in a 2026, you know.
Exactly, and that me try tell us, even if you have a quote a man and you go quote, you have a quote what I'm saying. Because me never say all the Gaza people like that.
Yo, the Gaza fine, Gaza uncle, you're not
never say that, bro. That me try tell us, you have some man.
Yes, a vibe Spratel like a job song for this massacre. Spratel. Vibe Spratel. You can't mind you war again, brother. You're old man, you know. No war, you know, Spratel. I know fear this. Remember what Alkaline do you already, brother. Spratel, the second. The only man alone me see can war Alkaline and he dead see me, but him alone can war Alkaline because he get hit song off right. A popcorn, flapcard. And those string can't write no lyrics. Remember me tell you, say Flapcard could have write lyrics. Alkaline could have got totally to a true Flapcard done, so he no really can't write no lyrics. You see me? But in flow bad and he can get it song and in publicity and all lyrics. But Kartel, you know the part of the level, MG. Spratel, you can't manage you are, so just slow out it, bro. Make Tamili and them go and do it. You can't manage you are, Spratel. I don't fear.
Yes. Let me go on a prime example. Cause a long time around music. Remember when Sizzla, Kalonji and Capleton are war? My uncle Capleton right on them time there. Back in the 90s, early 2000s. So you probably know say them in a war. And now one stage show. And Sizzla did Sizzla will perform and Capleton will perform. Why name they on the stage to perform? But this boy and him gash them and like them. Anything when me gash them and like Chuck
Fender. Yeah.
Good. As Capleton command them the time when them are war and say a Sizzla next to perform. And Capleton say him now perform after Sizzla. So why him do? Him send one of them Bobo them go up there and tell him Bobo them to tell Chuck Fender to call him man. So in a Chuck Fender set him call and Capleton. Now Capleton go up there. Why me bring up the example? Him run on the stage and run on. The other artists who perform call him on. So when you look on the Madso situation, Madso's wrong. But no fan was some Gaza idiot. And we say it with no apology because no reason logic, no reason for love of Gaza.
Alright, Leon. Hold on, brilliant. Hold on, Mighty. More brilliance. Mighty.
The forest are called man idiot.
Mighty. Hold on, the Gaza.
No fan was Gaza idiot.
Hold on, the brilliant.
That's what
Hold on.
No. I want to disrespect nobody in that.
Yo, guys,
alright, so we're gonna address somebody in the comment section. Brilliant. Give me a minute.
Nobody near me now.
Brilliant. More you address somebody in the comment section. No, this person continue. And multiple people in the comment section continue because some of them people are done said. There's a difference between us
MC
and MC. So Brilliance make it clear that Nuffy is the MC. Don't said people in the comment section. Listen what the man say.
Yeah, Gaza fan them. That's why I'm saying.
Continue, Brilliance.
He's a man, my general when me attack. Me not have no team, so me's a man me talk on logics. I remember me there a long time and me a listen. And all of the people them want make irrational statements and irrational comment, a Gaza them say. So them not reason upon no logic. So when me say Gaza idiots, me no mean everybody in a Gaza idiot. Me a talk about the people them that's where the facts of the matter. Just because them want push a agenda. See? Remember me not call no man name, me not sing no man name, so me not disrespect no man. See? Me just make a general.
I wanna push agenda. If Gaza and a topic, no topic no run if Gaza and a it. Go ahead. Pussy clot.
Yeah, but you what me I say? We not talk about no topic and white run by that. Me telling some man slow. We not talk about the topic and white run.
Talk about what?
But talk about Capleton and Sizzla. And see, nobody know want to hear you.
Yeah, but I know that at the point.
We are talking about nobody know want to hear the man. Yeah, somebody can some big pussy girl in Gaza, uncle.
Yeah, but look, you know, what me I say, bro? We not for them not get. Cause remember, me still not disrespect.
Nah, your mama pussy no big.
Me no, you see it?
I want to the batty boy, man.
I want to the man them.
Nothing. Watch a wall, Jah Bouks, what I mean, what you standing on. No, it's not a move, Jah Bouks. Just make my artist. Cause little Sean Stan and little Vibes Africa DJ. Make my artist in there, legend. I inside to the label. Matsus,
DMX.
Find a ready to my
DMX, already? All the DMX.
Yeah.
Big up yourself in America. Nicolani, big up yourself. Enough love and respect. Because serious now, all of the people them.
Bro, you can't say Bumbuckler massacre in the league. You have an interview a short shit. Say massacre in the league. Oh, you mean massacre in the league? And massacre the baddest thing in the dancehall right now. A fake crown in our wearing, bro. And a friend them crowning in it. And the people them crowning, you know. And the people them I say massacre now. You hear that? Bro, you didn't even have the crown for your head for your blood clot here and massacre. Take off that. You hear that? Bumbuckler, you throw shade upon interview and boy you kill mosquito. You can't kill mosquito. Mosquito breed up on fire fast. You can't kill mosquito. No boy can't kill mosquito. Mosquito forever.
Fierce bounty killer. Since you want to get the fame, let me give you the fame.
Blood clot, pussy lick boy. First a blood clot, all. You lick a blood clot, dick sucking, dick licking bumble. Today a blood clot Christmas pussy wall. Why make you put your blood clot lips in a one blood clot present blood clot box, bitch nigga. And bumbo clad put a postal blood clot sitting on it and post it to Kartel and him blood clot bitch. What make you know do that pussy? You know say come like you and foot a hyper blood clot brother and blood clot sister. Nigga what wrong with you? Eh? All the blood clot you depend your cuss bounty killer and bounty killer love man and bounty killer pussy. Nobody know you on the internet. You hear me batty boy? Eh? Call on Kartel in a blood clot prison and nobody no blood clot no you. As soon as Kartel come out of prison to blood clot, you turn one a Kartel girl them. Batty boy, you don't see no blood clot body pan you but a dude will love to suck dick and love to have a man to fuck them. Hey boy, come off the internet. What take your pussy well? Eh? You know say your mama you live with, batty boy, who you live with? Eh? Go look, blood clot walk. What is blood clot bumble drunk? On the blood clot internet. What make you just go skin out and make Kartel give you a proper fuck? What take your boy? Run away off our internet, pussy. You don't know nobody.
See. Aye. Kalangola, Kuwe, Babylon, breaking down the chains and barriers. Reggae revolution night and day. You don't know Jah Bouks I represent. And for the city Congo Bongo, you know where I represent the Angola Festival, which is in St. Thomas, right at Old Pira, right at the Angola restaurant, 31st of December. And we're going to have the splash on the 1st of January. You don't know, say, splash where the data them are going to splash and dash. We have holy artists I go up on the splash. Same way. You know what I mean? Get the item early bird ticket, come all a good vibration, as I would say. Aye. So we have Capleton, we have Short God, we have holy parties, Bushman, we have the Dunceman, holy parties are got there, the Rastafari. So the item just come out and hold a Angola vibration, as I would say.
So we have to say about the clash with Tamale and Massacre.
Whole heap of things me have to say. And one thing leads to another, so you can run about like 15 minutes if you really want a reason, because dancehall there to one place nowhere. People not even love the music. Seeing? Dancehall fans love man. Understand what me I say? Yeah. Them love man. You have some boy I say family because anything where I praise devil boy, them just a grip on from. So if family give ratings to devil boy, the guys will keep them automatically. Just and music is bigger than biasness and all them fuck with it here. Sometimes we have to call a spade a spade. The next thing is Massacre just embarrass himself. You can't.
Pull up, dirty boy and dirty girl. You think me wait for none of you to give me no strength? Drink that.
Make it make sense, me people. I want somebody make it make sense in the comment section. Me hear DevaBratt, what day, come out and chat a bag of things. Expose some deep, dark secret. This up Vibes Kartel. You get me? I say, yeah. And anybody deserve this up Vibes Kartel.
Yes, we mad sus going with the other night that could have dealt with in a different way. Fuck with that. It's what me I say as an adult to an adult. And also, bro.
Greetings, my brothers and sisters around the world. See, and my fellow music brother. See, so some people say them can't come to them senses or them can't come to them rightful mind. I ask where Jah Bouks I do a make a nightclub, a Gaza party. So I'm saying to all of you, I ask the question there, and seems like I'm living in one different type of world, like on a music world, living like being a Jamaican. See, remember Jah Bouks represent the culture and the music. See, he's an established artist who find a hit song, a great song, who lock down the world. See, even me, 10 years 20 years, I can remember the song that Jah Bouks sing. Kalangola, this a Mama Africa Gola. Me I can remember the song there, because it's a powerful words and powerful songs. So, when some man say, oh, where the man do a Gaza club, make a club, seeing we might do this as a Rasta, me not understand. A music the man go for sing. Him not go there for go beg friend. He not go there for suck pussy or for party. The man go there for sing music, for inspire the people them about conscious music same way. See, you notice a stage show, Sting or anything, them book all different type of artists. All different artists work there. So why Jah Bouks couldn't get for work in a Mecca nightclub on look like Adisha birthday? Why? Why it's a big thing? One no need to come out and say Matsus disrespect the man fully. See, a man who stamp him name in the business, a man who have a hit song. Me not disrespect no artist, but the artist there where you call up Matsus say your artist signed to, at this guys are gone to. Me not disrespect the artist, you know, but the artist not ready. Me not put my mouth around and talk. He do not ready. See? Him not ready. So you cut the big bad Jah Bouks, saying for deliver in powerful song when have for your brother up there sing fuckery. Nothing but uplift. Nothing but the people them can sing. Saying I want to sit down there ask a question, someone want to come out. I ask where the man do this. And music the man do, brother. What you expect? When me a youth I do music, you know, I'm either hungry for the music. See, when me in my young days I do music, I'm still, me not whole neither. Still I do music. Me eager for music, anyway the music there. I just child my name, I'm there shades I perform. On stage, hold mic a DJ for the girl them. I know say what? I don't go this stuff to do nothing else, but go show me showcase, show my talent. See? So, I wanna go ask the man, where I do this up? When I say nothing wrong with Jah Bouks, the wrong, I them disrespect the man. And this is my saying 2 cents about it. Matsus are some pussy in a real life. Yeah, I'm out, but I'm not under my mouth.
Pull up after you and I first na relax. Hold your jacket.
I hear that. Them fi know the crucial get dark and dodge. Me no care what get it coulda walk or run. Somebody better fi go shop and brum. The war start and I got done. Them a try to aggravate me. The pussy them a try.